University, and I always love coming here and see you growing. But today, I'm amazed to see you, the way you arrange this sport gala and the activities. I just heard your whole plan that will it last for a few days. And honestly speaking, being Deputy Commissioner of this district, I always had a different kind of concept about Must University, because I always dealt with your issues. But today, it has given me another impression of this university. And I can see the activities arranged by Honorable Vice Chancellor under his leadership and by his team. It's not only for the benefit of the students and this university, but it is also for the benefit of the wider society. Being the representative of the state and representative of the government of AJK, I congratulate the Honorable Vice Chancellor and his whole team for organizing such a beautiful event. Having said that, the government and all its institutes are always at your disposal, sir. And we would love to work with this university, not for only the sport activities and different programs, but to increase the capacity and capabilities of our students. The youth of every nation is a big, huge asset, and you can bet on youth for the future development. We have seen many development in this country, and if we see our history, we have moved ahead in many fields. As you all know, we are the biggest Muslim nation. We are the atomic power. We have the missile technology. We produce best doctors and engineers in the world. But we have issues as well. And let's be honest, the challenges we are facing, and especially our youth, the only way your enemy can overcome your nation is through division. And unfortunately, we are seeing division in our society. And this is because of social media, because of sub-nationalist ideologies, and because of many other factors. So being a Deputy Commissioner of this district and being the representative of the government, request my future generation, and my future generation is my youth, to please create cohesion amongst yourself. Please play your role to unite this nation, and that's the only way we can move forward. And please be assured that not only university administration, but the state and all the institutions of the state, they stand by you. Thank you very much.